Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This Wrangler is featured in the Sahara trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as our black aluminum rims, heated front seats, downhill park assist, a 3-part removable hardtop, as well as much more. Into the front of the Jeep, we can see we have our black finish door handle. Just below it, on the door panel itself, we can see that we have all of our door locks. In the bottom, we have some lace finish storage. Moving up to the middle, we have our display cluster. Below our speedometer, we have our tire pressure monitoring. Under our odometer, underneath our RPMs. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free, including our navigation. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings. Moving to the middle, we have our deck, which includes our Sirius XM satellite radio, as well as our navigation. Just below in the middle, we have our 4 powered window controls. At the bottom, we have our front climate controls, our power heated outside mirrors. Our heated front seats are on either side. Then we have our ABS, downhill park assist, emergency lights, as well as the power for our 115 volt plug. Then we have a 12 volt plug on the passenger side. Moving down, there's some storage in the front. Behind it, we have our drivetrain select, as well as our shifter. Then we have our 2 cup holders. We have our center console, and below it we can see the 115 volt plug. Our center console opens in 2 parts. So we have our top storage. Then below it we have our deep storage. We can see we have an additional 12 volt plug in the center. Moving up to our seats, they're in a black leather finish with the Sahara logo throughout. They of course are heated. Then lastly, moving up to the roof, we can see that we have our attachments across the front for our removable 3-part roof. Now walking down the side of the Jeep, moving down to our tires, we can see our black aluminum wheels with our fuel center cap. Moving up, we have our paint match power heated outside mirrors, as well as our black finish door handles as well. At the bottom, we have a black assist step for both the front and back. Moving towards the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have our 5th wheel mounted on the back. We have a 2-part opening system where we can first open the bottom and then a flip open on the top. Looking inside the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 60/40 split second row seating, and lastly we do have a 12 volt plug. Now into the back of the vehicle, we once again have our black finish door handle and some laced storage in the door panel. Moving inside the vehicle, we can see in the seat in front of us that we have our magazine holder. In the middle, we have our 2 cup holders on the floor. Passenger side, we also have our magazine holder. Here we can see our door panel itself with our trims. We can see our seats in the back. Once again, our black leather finish. We have 60/40 folding seats, and we once again have our hardtop cover. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.